The 2007 Honda Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, XM satellite radio, heated seats, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM stereo with in-dash 6-disc CD changer, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, trip computer, power windows, heated front seats, CD player, electronic stability control, power moonroof, brake assist, leather seats. Come take a test drive today.